Hi, welcome to the overview of the report repair, which is part of Uptivity. Report repair is very easy to use. So the way it works is it allows your tenants, or for example, if you're in the hotel industry or anybody, basically to actually report repair with any assets or anything that you have in the business where there might be a fault. So what our system does is we give you what's called an iframe, and what that is it looks something a bit like this. So what you can do is you can put that form into your own website, you can have it on your own link, anything like that. Again, it can sit within your site or it can sit separately. There's no problem on that. And what it allows you to do is it allows your customers, your staff, anybody within the business to basically, or anybody external to the business, to go through and basically fill in a repair. So say for example the heating isn't working, say the radiator on. What you can do is you can capture pictures against that. So again, this is all mobile responsive, so users can go to this link on the mobile, they can attach images, they can put their address in, and obviously then the details alongside that. So finish filling it in and continue, and then there's a bit further information you can capture here, such as if the tenant gives permission to enter the property, if vulnerable occupiers there, and if they agree to the terms and conditions that you outline as part of your business. Again, this can work on a computer, but it can also work on an app side. To the left-hand side, this is one of our customers. They have their own branded app with themselves, so you can see that here at the top. And again, if you want to have your own branded app, that again is not a problem. Then what they can do, or what their tenants can do from here, is they can go into the report repair. And again, like I've just mentioned there, very mobile responsive, so tenants can go through directly in the app. They can report repairs through here, and then same idea, they'll fill in the notes, fill in the images, and so on and so forth. Once that repair is submitted, what happens is notification then is sent to the admin or to the office. What they can do is they can then see here in the back end of the system under the work request that, for example, fire hose reel is not working, issue in testing, paint, light issues, and so on and so forth. They can go into that issue. If there's any pictures attached to that, they can see those here. They can see obviously the priority, which area it's for. And then from here, a couple of things that can be done. That can then have a requested completion date against that. So if you expect it to be fixed by the end of the month, you can put that in there. You can see who's obviously requested that. You can see the property information, so much property obviously it's for. Issue details, so any additional notes, summary of issues, if there's a vulnerable occupier on the site. So exactly what we just filled in there before on the form. And that's all from the work request. So from there, businesses do a couple of things. They can then convert that and take it a bit further into our work orders module, where they assign the jobs, or some staff there and then just what they do is they then mark that as converted into work order, and then they turn that into a job sheet from the business internal point of view, and they can assign that out and whatever they need to do. Yeah, if you have any questions on that, please do get in touch with us. Thanks.